Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is mega bundle of icons with different format. Total file is 1 lakh and 258 in 2.94 GB, but don't worry, I will compress for you. And these files are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store and write Sheri SK, buy now in $2.99 or $3 for lifetime all password in this app. Okay, so here is 850 plus UI icon, APS PNG PST SVG PNG is here. Wow. Next is here is 1000. Here is 75 computer hardware icons, PNG. You see. Okay, here is 1000 plus ingredients icons, PNG, color line, wow, 128 pixel, so you can use anywhere. Here is line, wow, fish. Okay, here is 14 plus icon mega bundle. Here is 100 and here is 75 with different format. Open PNG. You see here is a draw, folder, AVI file, document file, and folder contact, folder information, folder refresh, folder warning, folder zip alt. Okay, here is a search optimization engine, CEO, PNG, so you can use anywhere. Here is 15 plus mono icon, finance, office, shopping, social, meeting, business, education, PNG. Wow. And here is a business, PNG. Okay. Here is 19 plus. Wow. And AI APS file. Here is 3200 plus icons, construction, JPG file. Okay, and here is 3600 plus grandparents rounded line. Here is awesome 6000. Here is 6000 plus, 6200 plus, and 6500 plus, 15,000 plus icon. Wow. Kitchen, hard work, furniture, food icon, food, drinks, PNG. Wow, you can use anywhere. Okay, and here is 28,000 plus files, properties. You see here, PST, PNG, advertising, alarm clock, ambulance, Apple, arrow, badge. Here is the arrow, so you can use anywhere. Here is just two different file, PNG and AI file. Okay, I'll say again, password in this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now in $2.99, all password in this app. Take care, Allah Hafiz.